Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Welcome back to the lesson Sexual Reproduction in Plants, Part 4. Topic: Seed dispersal. You have seen the formation of fruit through sexual reproduction. Now, in this video, we will learn how the seeds are dispersed and become the cause for the birth of the new plant. Learning objective. In this video, we will learn about the different methods of seed dispersal. Dispersal through wind, dispersal through water, dispersal through animals and humans. Keywords: seed dispersal, capsule, pod, bursting mechanism, tridex, caltropies, germinate. Concept map. You may see seeds grown in different places, even on cracked walls and stones. How do these seeds reach there? How do they travel from one place to another place? Generally, we saw seeds in our house gardens and the fields, but different kinds of plants grow in our surroundings. Who sown these seeds? To understand all these, concentrate well. Plants have special mechanisms for seed dispersal. Most seeds fall into the soil and are buried. After some time, they germinate and grow into small plants. We should know that seed dispersion is necessary to grow tiny plants of the same species. Plants disperse their seeds to different distances to avoid competition with the mother plant. For air, water, and minerals. However, the process of dispersal varies from plant to plant. How are seeds dispersed? Do you know the factors that affect seed dispersal? Are the characteristics of seeds decided by the way they are dispersed? Let us find out with an activity. Observe different seeds. Collect some seeds like grass, poppy, okra, lady's finger, coconut, etc. Try collecting seeds with hair, thorns, big, small, light, heavy, etc. Observe them and record the information in the table. Which seeds can be carried by air? Name the seeds that are round and heavy. Which seeds can float on water? Which seeds contain hooks, horns? Why? Are they hairy seeds, light and flat? Why? Do seeds with thorns grow into fruits with thorns? How are fibrous seeds? Are they light or heavy? Are there tari seeds in the list? Which characteristics do you find in them? Activity. There are different seeds with different structures which are useful for their dispersal. Let us find out how these seeds are dispersed from one place to another. Different agents of the seed dispersion. Dispersion through the air. Have you seen white hairy balls or parachute-like structures moving in the air? Did you ever try to catch them? They are the seeds of caltropies. These seeds have light and hairy structures at one end. They travel with the wind and settle at a suitable place to germinate. These seeds are usually light and are either very small or light with the wings on them or some hairy structures on them. What do you think would happen if all seeds of a plant were to fall at the same place and grow there? There would be severe competition for sunlight, water, minerals, and space. As a result, the seeds would not grow into healthy plants. Plants benefit from seed dispersal. It prevents competition between the plant and its seedlings from sunlight, water, and minerals. It also enables the plants to invade new habitats for wider distribution. Seeds and fruits of plants are carried away from wind, water, and animals. Winged seeds, such as those of drumstick and maple light. The seeds get adapted in such a way that they get carried away easily by wind. Some seeds float in the air, some propel to travel short distances. In some plants, like orchids, seeds are minute with inflated covering. In plants like tridex, seeds have wing-like outgrowths. Cotton seeds have hairy structures. These types of specialized structures present in the seeds will be helpful for dispersal by air. How do seeds float on water? Seeds adapted to float on water are usually light. The outer covering of the seed has empty spaces filled with air, and some are fibrous with the air spaces that enclose the whole seed or fruit. Example: coconut. Coconut fruit floats on water and moves from one place to another. When it reaches the ground, it germinates. This is the reason we find that coconut fruits generally grow near the seashores. Heavy seeds usually fall to the bottom of the water sources and get carried by the flow of water. Example: seeds of lotus. So, think about water plants. Dispersal of seeds by birds and other animals. In the case of fleshy fruits, the fruits is eaten by animals and seeds are excreted, while some dry fruits with specialized structures like hooks, thorns, and hairy parts get stuck to the bodies of animals or the clothes of humans and get carried to distant places. We find such seeds in some kind of grass plants. Some seeds are sticky and get stuck to the beaks of birds, and in the course of flight, they fall at distant places. Often, some birds carry seeds with their beaks. Some of them fall before they reach their nesting places. Do you know some seeds have to pass through the guts of some birds before they germinate? Birds like mynas, bulbuls, and crows eat some fruits. Example: neem fruit. The outer fleshy part gets digested in the food canal and the seed coats become tender. They are then dispersed to other places as bird droppings. Many fleshy fruits are meant to be eaten by animals. The fleshy part of the fruit is eaten, leaving the seeds uninjured. Some seeds get dispersed through animal excretions. Dispersal of seeds through human beings. Generally, we saw seeds of flowers, fruits, and vegetables in our home garden. Everyone is aware of tomatoes. It is a common vegetable cooked in every home. In tomato pickles, tomato curry, etc., we find tomatoes. Do you know where the fruit has come from and that it is not native to India? When European travelers came to trade in India, they left the seeds of vegetables like tomato, cauliflower, guava, and pear on their return. Similarly, sugarcane, which is native to India and is used worldwide to produce sugar, is a good example of how people transfer seeds, fruits from one place to another. Nowadays, we see different kinds of fruits and vegetables around us. Importing and exporting grains like wheat, pulses, maize, and paddy is a common practice through which many seeds get dispersed worldwide. It is funny to think that seeds also travel by airplanes and ships. Dispersal by bursting of fruits that threw the seed out. Many fruits enclose the seed in a capsule or pod. Upon drying, the pod explodes, releasing the seeds with great force in their surroundings. We find such type of seeds in bhendi, mustard, and seeds of the pea family. Some seeds grow in capsules which, when touched, burst and uncoil with a force in such a way that they scatter the seeds all around. Try to list out such types of seeds that you see in your surroundings. Here, a small activity for you. Collect fruits of Crossandra, Kanakambaram from your or your friends' houses and sprinkle water on them. Write your observations. Collect some dry pods of peas, gingerly, till, bhendi from a nearby field or a shop and try to open them. What happens to the seeds in the pod? How far are they scattered? Note the distance. In which weather condition do seeds scatter? Do you think that these seeds would scatter in this way during the rainy season? Plants produce a large number of seeds. You observe that fruits and vegetable plants that grow in our home garden produce a large number of seeds. Some fruits grow in singly, whereas some are in bunches. Some fruits have a single seed in them and some have large number of seeds. Activity. Seeds in fruits. Collect different kinds of fruit which are available in your surroundings. Open them and count how many seeds they have. Try to collect information about seeds and enrich the following table. Why do these plants produce seeds in large numbers? We will see seeds dispersed in large numbers in our surroundings. All seeds don't germinate. Some seeds never germinate to produce new plants. Some seeds germinate, but plants die before maturation. To overcome these problems, plants produce seeds in large numbers. Points to remember. Seeds are carried from one place to another so that they get suitable conditions to grow. This is called dispersal of seeds. Seed dispersal is essential for the survival of plant seeds of different shapes, sizes, and structures helping dispersal seeds are dispersed by wind, water, birds, and animals. Seed dispersal helps the plants to prevent overcrowding, avoid competition for sunlight, water, and minerals, and invade new habitats. All the best. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep watching. Bye-bye, students.